Boom, shaklack, clack, 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 boom, shaklack, clack. What is this?
In 1964, white students from the North came down to the states in the South, like Mississippi, in an attempt to register as many African American voters as possible.
You should vote! No. Yes. No. Yes.
The whites in Mississippi resented the students from the North because they tried to change the traditional values of the segregated South. They harassed them by beating them, arresting them, and murdering them.
Ma'am, I'm going to have to arrest you.
Wait, Al, why?
It's because I got reports that you were disturbing the
What?
peace.
No, I'm just trying to get these people to vote.
Anything that you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
Okay, yeah.
The blacks did not want to register to vote because they didn't want to risk their safety, and they did not want to start conflict with the whites.
No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Why? Because I'm scared of the white people.
As many as 17,000 black residents of Mississippi attempted to register to vote, but a majority weren't allowed to because of lottery tests and poll taxes.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm here to vote.
You can't vote
Why?
because you didn't pass the literacy test.
Freedom Summer failed to register many voters because blacks were too fearful to vote, but it helped pave a path for more news coverage for civil rights movement.
With someone that I have to love like this.